January 1st. We're in the playroom. Ozzy picked the smallest possible toy to share with the puppies. It's the head of the dead moose. And he wants to play with them, with that moose, but they can't even know that it's in his mouth because it's so small. Well, it's a moose and it's dead. See? He's trying to let them know it's there, but even I don't know it's there. I mean, I know it's there, but the girls don't know. The girls don't care. It's just like right in his mouth. See? That's the dead moose right there. Yeah, they don't know it's there, honey. You pick another toy. And that's the sisters. Hi, honey. Yes. I love you too. Yes.